Have you ever stood up and felt your legs wobble just a bit more than they used to? Maybe it happened while climbing stairs. Or maybe you realized you couldn't walk as far as you once did. Most people chalk this up to getting older, but weak legs are rarely just about age. They're a message your body hopes you'll pay attention to. Today, we're uncovering the 5 biggest hidden reasons your legs may be getting weaker. And what you can do to regain strength before it's too late. Reason number 5, muscle loss, sarcopenia. Let me share a quick story. David, 72, always thought he was strong for his age until one day he struggled to stand from a low chair. He didn't realize it at the time. But sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle, had been sneaking up on him for years. After age 60, muscle loss accelerates. By your 80s, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle if you don't actively work against it. You might notice thinner thighs or calves, heaviness in the legs, fatigue after short walks. The solution: movement plus protein. Chair squats, leg lifts, and resistance band exercises can rebuild strength. Pair them with protein-rich foods: eggs, fish, lean meats, beans, nuts, and aim for 10 to 15 minutes of walking each day. Reason number 4, poor circulation. Pad. If your legs feel cold, numb, heavy, or cramp when you walk, poor circulation might be the culprit. This is often caused by peripheral artery disease, where plaque narrows the arteries and starves your legs of oxygen. When blood flow drops, legs become weak and tired quickly. To boost circulation, walk a little every day, stay hydrated, reduce salty foods, elevate your legs, or use warm foot soaks if pain improves when you sit down. That's a classic circulation warning sign and a good reason to talk to your doctor. Reason number 3, nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy. Imagine feeling like you're walking on a soft sponge or experiencing burning or tingling in your feet. That's what neuropathy feels like, and it affects nearly 1 in 3 seniors. High blood sugar and low vitamin B12 levels are major causes. To protect your nerves, keep blood sugar in check. Eat B12-rich foods like eggs, dairy, and leafy greens. Limit alcohol use. Gentle foot and leg massages if numbness doesn't go away. Get tested. Nerve damage gets worse the longer you wait. Reason number 2, spinal issues, sciatica, herniated discs. Poor posture. Most people never connect leg weakness to their spine. But a pinched nerve in the lower back can instantly limit the signals traveling to your legs. Symptoms include shooting pain from the back to the legs, uneven strength, numbness in one foot, legs giving out unexpectedly. Gentle stretches like knee to chest and seated twists can help. Avoid long sitting sessions, and use lumbar support when you have to sit. A strong, healthy spine keeps your legs strong too. Reason number 1, electrolyte imbalance, low magnesium and potassium. Have you ever bolted awake from a painful leg cramp or felt sudden shakiness with no explanation? Magnesium and potassium are essential for muscle function. When levels drop, muscle spasm, legs weaken, fatigue sets, and heart rhythm can even be affected. Boost your intake with potassium, bananas, oranges, spinach, avocados, magnesium, almonds, beans, whole grains, dark chocolate, and keep hydrated. Dehydration makes these imbalances worse. A warm Epsom salt bath before bed can also relax tight muscles and reduce cramps. Take action now. Weak legs aren't just aging. They're a signal you can address today. Start with small steps, walk daily, eat more protein, balance your minerals, stretch, and move your spine. Improve circulation. Your legs carry you through every chapter of your life. Strengthen them now so they can continue carrying you forward. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.